Okay, guys, there we go. And Nasdaq is touching the ATR. We're looking for the breakout
Long
here.
signal and Q.
There we go, guys.
Long signal and
There
Q.
goes the breakout.
Order filled.
Get some room, this guy here.
Long signal and Q.
Order submitted. Order cancelled.
There we go.
Long signal and Q.
Okay, guys, this market has been wild. Good volatility. Signals are working very well. Just need to be aware that you gotta be careful. It can reverse in a dime. This market. Okay, see the tape. See lots of selling. Still, the Nasdaq is trying to go higher from here. Okay, so now we can have a change of trend. Okay, so we were below the 2 ATRs for a long period of time. Now the market
Long
decided to break
signal
out.
and Q.
So we can expect the market to make a new wave up. So it's time to, it's 1:44. My time is 2 o'clock when the market closes. So we can get out at least a little bit here.
Long signal and Q.
Okay, guys, I think this.
Long signal.
Target filled.
Okay, now it's a free trade, no problem here.
Long signal and Q.
Excellent run, guys. I tell you about the breakouts. Gotta be aware of this. Okay, guys, I'm out here.
Order filled.
I just don't want to get caught into that mumbo jumbo. Okay, so the market, it's breaking out exactly as expected. The market, this is what the correlation dots did. We saw the breakout here and the volume, so was a no-brainer. And okay, guys, so as you can see, guys, this is trading very clear. Okay, so these markets are very clear to trade. You can you see the trend below the ATR only in the shorts. You could have gotten this breakout here, you know, and could have made a good trade. You see the high frequency trading triangles. You see, for example, how these guys work. It's extremely quickly. You can see when they bought here and sold in the same bar. So these guys are, I still don't know how these guys make all this technology. You see here, we see another one, and an imbalance pattern, 1,000 contracts up, and they sold it in the same bar. You see, they bought it here and they sold it in the same bar. So you gotta be aware of that information. That's very important for you to know. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information. Okay.